In a discussion about vacant plots in industrial estates in Goa, Sudhin Davlikar and Vishwajit Rane got into a verbally heated discussion after the ex-PWD minister inquired about a residential plot in Shiroda touching the road when 106 vacant plots were already given allotment 10 years ago. Vishwajit Rane made it clear to the House that no more amendments will be made in the past decisions.
जो प्रश्न असो आसा तुवें जे 106 प्लॉट अलॉट केल्या हे अलॉट 10 वर्सां पयलीं अलॉट केल्या इंडस्ट्री चालू जावना
स्पीकर
म्हजो चार्ज आसा की ह्या ऑफिसरांनीच आपल्या नांवार घेवन दवरल्या काय कितें
सर
आनी कोणाच्या नांवार दवरल्या कारण वेर्णा 33 प्लॉट आसा आनी कुणय 24 प्लॉटां हांगा दोनूय कडेन वेर्णा आनी कुणय भरपूर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट येता पूण तांकां प्लॉट मेळना.
Speaker sir, what honorable member is saying, talking about vacant plots. Now there is a guideline as per the existing guidelines of IDC that they have to have a 30% coverage over a period of between 3 to 5. There are some basic guidelines for allotment and for, you cannot call them unutilized plot. What honorable member is saying, there is a valid reason if it is beyond that period and still lying vacant. And that's why the other day itself, I want to make it very clear on the floor of the House to Honorable Shri Sudhin Davlikar is that we were discussing with Honorable Chief Minister is that there needs to be some sort of a mechanism where if the plot is not used for the specific period that which is there under the rules and regulation, it should be automatically reverted back to IDC and automatically the money is paid back to this particular person if it is not utilized. But there are certain guidelines which are there. Those guidelines, as per you're talking about, there are specific guidelines where it talks between 3 to 5 years.
Not 10 years. There are plots which are allotted by you 10 years back.
Speaker sir,
2010,
Speaker,
2006, 2012.
I would like to remind the honorable. I know the honorable member is seriously interested in seeing that there is proper utilization of all, as it is limited land for industry in the state of Goa, but we have to understand that any kind of law you bring in, you cannot bring it in retrospectively. Prospectively, I have to see what needs to be done. In case tomorrow we are allotting some land in IDC, we need to see how this land can be utilized within a specific time frame. Perhaps instead of 5 years, we can bring it back to 2 years after we make those whatever required amendments. And this process is on. We need to review and we need to look at things with a different outlook. But be rest assured, even if that is now today something is pending for 10 years, somebody has not utilized something, can I bring a law retrospectively? Can I change whatever is there? But beyond 5 years, if that is the case, then government will have to take a decision and step in to see that we take back these plots which have gone beyond the period of 5 years and there is nothing come up on those plots.
हो पर्पजली एक्वायर केला कारण शिरोडा मतदारसंघात 3 इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आसा. पंचवाडीत आसा. पंचवाडीत आत्ता जवळ जवळ 24 प्लॉट तुझे वेकण आसा. परत तुवें दिल्या अलॉट केल्या थंयय वेकण आसा. परत तूं शिरोडा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट वेगळी आसा. थंय तुवें 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर एक्वायर केल्या. थंय 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर एक्वायर केल्या. 3 लाख ऑलरेडी असताना आणि कोण थंय नासतना 1,87,825 स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया तुवें कित्याक एक्वायर केल्या हें म्हाका कळपाक जाय.
Sir, like I said, Honorable Shri Sudhin Davlikar, once again I would like to mention, my good friend was a member of this government on this side. When this decision was taken also,
I want that, why this is done, and what for? आणि हे जे कितें केलां पळय ते कोणा तरी त्रास दिवपाक केलें पयलीं
ते कितेंय आसूं पूण तेन्ना जेन्ना म्हाजे मित्र बाब सुदीन ढवळीकर ह्याच सरकारान PWD मिनिस्टर आसले इतले वर्सां गेले 15 वर्सां ते सरकारान मंत्री आहा हे जेन्ना एक्विजिशन जालें तेन्ना तुमी विशय मांडूंक ना. हे जेन्ना विशय जालो जेन्ना शिरोड्याचो इतलो तुमकां प्रेम आहा की ह्या गोश्टी घडू नये तेन्ना तुमीच विशय मांडूंक जाय आसलो तेन्नाचे मुख्यमंत्री. हांव मिनिस्टर आयज जाल्यार तुमकां आयज कमिटमेंट करता फ्लोर ऑफ द हावसाचेर की मुख्यमंत्री जे गोंया राज्याचे आहा डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आनी आमच्या IDCचे चेअरमन जे आहा हांकां घेवन ट्रान्सपरंटली आमी सगळे करपाक फुडें. ह्या टर्माक जर कितें जाता काय हांवें कितें जर केलां हेजेर तुम्ही प्रश्नचिन्ह काढू शकता. जेन्ना त्याच सरकारान तुम्ही आशिल्ले आयज जो ज्या मनशाचे तुम्ही उल्लेख ज्या मनशाचे तुम्ही उल्लेख करता तो आयज काँग्रेस पक्षान प्रवेश केला. तो काय भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो आमदार न्हू.
This particular plot
No, there is no question. There is nothing. It's a government decision. That is not a question. Question is that the people of Goa should know that when the sites change, then you want to know more.
No, 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 I want the answer.
You should have raised the
Why
objection.
this plot
That
is
time you did
acquired?
not feel for the people that the land is wrongly being acquired, and there is no change in the government decision. We will see that the land is allotted and put to good use of the industry, and we will get it done.
स्वाती माशे, म्हजो प्रश्न आसा वाय दीस लँड इज एक्वायर्ड. कारण एका मनशाक त्रास करपाक त्या वेळार लँड एक्वायर केल्या. नंबर 2, जेन्ना ताणें कोर्टांत केस घातली तेन्ना एनहान्स करून नव्या बिला प्रमाणे ताका पयशे दिल्या. आतां म्हजो प्रश्न असो आसा की जी शिरोडा हाजे पयलीं लँड एक्वायर केल्ली ती कितल्या केल्ली आनी ताजे पयलीं जी पळय पंचवाडी एक्वायर केल्या ताका रेट कितें केला.
स्पीकर सर, हांवें पयलींच सांगलेलें आसा की तुमकां रीड आउट करून प्रश्न जो आहा की हांव जे प्रश्न त्यांनी सांगलेले आसा विचारला बाब सुदीन ढवळीकरान, आय विल गो स्ट्रिक्टली बाय दॅट. एक्विजिशन रेट केन्नाचो आहा, खंयचे एक्विजिशन रेटार केन्ना घेतले तांकां जाय जाल्यार हांव सेपरेटली तांकां एक लेटर बरयता, ह्या सेशनानूच तुमकां सगळे म्हायती दिता. पूण एक लक्षान तुमी घेवंक जाय,
सर
हे जो प्रश्न खंयचो रेट एक्विजिशन ह्या प्रश्नाक इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू दीस क्वेश्चन एट ऑल. I have come prepared with respect to all the plots that I emptied, what needs to be done and how is our vision forward. And we are very clear cut that even if there is an objection, this is a government decision of the past, we are not going to change anything. We will implement it. We will see that transparently. We put whatever mistakes have happened in Panchwadi, we have to see that proper infrastructure is in place. I was talking to my colleague Mr. Nilesh Kabral that there are power issues. Those issues have to be resolved.
Is not going on.
As far as Shiroda Phase 2 is concerned, already possession is given to IDC. We will take a decision to see that those plots are properly utilized and allotted. And now let us move forward rather than raking up things of the past. There is no use because Honorable Member Shri Sudhin Dhawlikar did not think about this when the issue happened. The problem is today you are on the opposition side. So you are asking me this question. And that is not the way. One has to have a progressive mind to think in the, as far as the interest of state of Goa is concerned. I can't do anything about this decision. This is a decision taken by the government and we are not going to reverse this and there is no question of any kind of inquiry in this matter.
स्पीकर सर, पंचवाडे जितले प्लॉट आसा ते सगळे वेकण आसा. पंचवाडे 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर एरिया तूं दाखयता तुज्या हातूंत आतां. तुवें जे लिस्ट दिलां, लेट मी कंप्लीट माय थिंग्स. 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर दिता. पयलींची जी शिरोडा एक्वायर केल्ली आसा तुवें ती 1 लाख आनी चड आसा, ती वेकण दाखयता. ही वेकण दाखयता तूं आनी परत ही एक्वायर करता कोणा तरी त्रास दिवपाक.
की मान्य मंत्र्याक जर दिसता की हांवें हेजेर कितेंय कारवाई करूंक जाय तो प्रश्न ना, हांव कारवाई कांयच करचो ना हेजेर.
जर सरकाराक ती जमीन उपयोग ना किंवा लोकांक ती उपयोग ना, परत दियात तेची ताका. कित्याक काडून घेतल्या?
सर
हे लोकांक त्रास दिवपाक घेतलेली आसा अशें आमकां दिसता.
आणि हे 100% कोणी तरी त्रास दिवपा खातीर एक्वायर केल्या. कोणी तरी थंय हाऊसिंग प्रोजेक्टूच येवपा सारकी जमीन ती. ही मुद्दाम केल्या. ही एक्वायर मुद्दाम केल्या. हांव तेच उलयतां, ही मुद्दाम एक्वायर केल्या, कोणा तरी त्रास करपाक येता.